Here we have Stewie. Stewie is a new boot model from us this season. It is constructed in the way that we do normally with Bundgard, like the narrow heel cap and then the more wide fitting in the front, which makes space for the natural movement, so you can spread your toes and you can have a movement like this, which makes the balance. So again, there's a bit higher, how can I say it, volume in this one. Also very important is adjustment possibilities. It's a wide fitting, but a more narrow fitting can fit it as well. We have two velcros. The one here is very important. It can be adjusted down there. So if you have a narrow grip, you can do like this, and you can cut it off here. So you make sure that it will not be too flappy or whatever it calls, so it can be used in the playground and not be destroyed in that way. Again, this one is also common to do it more narrow, so it fits probably here. It's important that this part here is stabilizing, like it's narrow fitting, and this is wide fitting, so you have space and you have flexibility. The outer sole is made of a rubber material, which is a rubber material combined. It's called TPR. The TPR product is good because it's you can have the same flexibility even if you have a very cold climate or a very warm climate. So this is our guarantee that when you buy this shoe, you should not be worried about gliding, or you should not be worried about that it's too hot, so it will not move. So this is a light boot, and it's a very flexible boot. Inside it's combined with wool lining, and wool lining is called very breathable. Again, it's also temperature regulating, so you have a warm climate. You have an insole which is made of cork, and cork is a very flexible material. You can use it like this. It is absorption when you walk. It's also breathable, and again, the last thing is of course that it'll be isolating. So when you have the cold from the below or for the earth, then you can just like put this in, and then you are sure that you won't have cold feet. Growth base that we recommend is 1.2 to 1.5, depending on the size, but again, this is the length here. And again, make sure that you don't have too wide fitting and that the feet will fit into the form of the insole. That's why you can take it out to check that. So this is the Stewie model.